Welcome, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of Next.JS, an open-source development framework built on the latest React features, including server components and actions. Our focus for today is integrating the Dynamsoft Barcode Reader JavaScript SDK into a Next.js application. Let's jump right in. To get started quickly, we've prepared a pre-built Hello World sample for you. You can either begin with this simple project or venture into custom coding by referring to our developer documentation for guidance. In this video, our main objective is to walk you through the key sections of the sample project's code. Before we proceed, make sure you have Node.js installed and install necessary dependencies. Now, let's navigate to the cvr.ts file to configure libraries. Import the license manager to initialize your license. You can obtain your 30-day free trial license from our customer portal and replace the license key here. Let's continue by utilizing the engine resource path method in the core module to specify where the necessary resources can be found at runtime. Remember, set the property before loading the WebAssembly. Next, head over to the components directory and open the videocapture.tsx file. Create a camera view instance for UI control and a camera enhancer instance for camera control, both from the Dynamsoft Camera Enhancer SDK. Now create a capture vision router instance and set the camera enhancer instance as its image source. The router plays a pivotal role in the architecture, acting as a coordinator for functional products at runtime. Create a callback for retrieving results by implementing the captured result receiver interface. This facilitates the extraction of the text from the barcode result found in the image. The captured result receiver allows you to add a receiver for any generic captured result or for a specific type of result, depending on the implemented method. Utilize the camera enhancer to open the camera and the router to start scanning a single barcode. To mitigate the need for decoding an extensive volume of redundant outcomes in video capture, we strongly advise implementing a filter mechanism. This filter can effectively eliminate unchecked and duplicate results. With the video capture function in place, let's move to the imagecapture.tsx file to complete the image capture functionality. In this step, you'll need to include code for both initializing and destroying the capture vision router instance. Additionally, implement the logic to decode the selected image using a preset template. Now we need the Hello World component to control the video capture and image capture functions. Add the following code to the file. Finally, integrate the Hello World component into page.tsx under the page directory. Import next/dynamic to load the Hello World component on the client side and disable server rendering. If you followed all the steps correctly, try running the project. You should now have a fully functional page that allows you to scan barcodes from a webcam or built-in camera. Any detected barcodes will be shown in the bottom box. Keep your camera steady and centered on the barcode for best results. If you want to decode a local image, click the Decode Image button and select the image you want. Any detected barcodes will be displayed in a dialog. That concludes our tutorial. For a hands-on experience, find the demo on our official Dynamsoft GitHub repository. Check the link in the description and download it for a test run. Thank you for watching.